Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you're saying a setting needs your review message every time when you open Facebook or Instagram on your Android or in iPhone. So don't worry guys, this is not an account suspension or security warning. In this video, I will explain what this pop-up mean, why Meta is showing it, and how you can stop it from appearing again and again on your screen. This pop-up is part of Meta's update privacy setting. This is simply a privacy review, not a hack, virus, or account problem. Hope you understand this. To stop this or to fix this issue, so actually this is not a issue, so this is only privacy update security setting. So simply tap on review setting, read the available option carefully. Okay, choose whether you want Meta to use your activity from the business for personalized ads. After making your choice, confirm and save this setting. That's it. So I don't want to allow my activity to track by Meta, so I will select the second option. So simply tap on confirm. That's it. Now it will update your setting and it will open your app. As you can see guys, now when you open your Facebook and Instagram app, now it will don't show you that setting pop-up page again and again. Okay, as you can see guys, I will close it and I will open it once again. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to update your both application from the App Store. If you are using Android, open the Play Store and search your app. Simply go ahead. If the app update is available, you need to update your app like this. Okay, once you update your both application and you complete the privacy review setting, the pop-up should stop appearing again and again on your screen. If it continuously show up every time you open the app, it could be a temporary Meta app bug that will likely to be fixed in a future update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.